Hi there, I'm Jan Michael with Stocktrac, and today I wanted to give you a quick overview of our text-to-pay integration powered by 360 Payments. Shops using Stocktrac are now able to quickly send payment reminders to their customers via text directly from their Stocktrac shop management system. This will increase your shop's efficiency and provides a secure and convenient way for your customers to pay you right from their smartphone. Let me take a quick minute and show you how easy it really is. Here we have a completed ticket for a synthetic oil change package with a total of $59.12. To send this customer a text-to-pay payment link, you simply navigate to the Finish tab and select the drop-down menu under Payment Detail. If text-to-pay is enabled, you will see an option to select it as the payment method for this ticket. Once selected, you can see the full amount of the ticket automatically populates. This amount can be changed accordingly if needed. From here, simply select the Send Payment Link button. This will open a new window which will allow you to select the phone number to send the payment link. If the customer has a cell phone in their customer file, this number will be selected by default. Once you send the link, you will get a notification that the message went through. Next, go ahead and save the estimate. After the link has been sent, you can check the text-to-pay log at the top of the point of sale screen to see the outstanding and completed links. Here you can see the link we just sent out. Once the customer has opened the payment link and entered a form of payment, the text-to-pay log will begin to blink, letting you know a new payment has been received. By opening the log, you can see the status of this ticket has been changed from payment link sent to paid. Next, highlight the ticket you wish to complete and select Go to Estimate. This will bring up the estimate, and in the Finish tab, you can see under the Entered Payments section, our customer's text-to-pay payment has been applied. Now, simply email or print the invoice and the ticket will be completed. Once this is done, the ticket will no longer appear in the text-to-pay log, as payment has been received and the ticket is now completed. That concludes our brief overview video of Stocktrac's text-to-pay integration powered by 360 Payments. As always, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you can be notified anytime we post new content.